We're given some data here, which we're asked to display as a frequency histogram. This time we're given a full range of values, and we can see that there's no gaps, so we don't need to worry about the boundaries at all. So it's just a case of drawing the frequency histogram. So frequency will go on the vertical axis, and then on the horizontal axis we'll have age, and age is in years. Something to point out here is that age in years is not, strictly speaking, continuous data. If you're 14 this year, on your birthday you go up to 15. However, you could think that somebody who's 14 years and 2 months old is older than somebody who's 14 years and 1 month old, and so on. So in a way it is continuous data, and often grouped data is represented on a histogram even if the data itself isn't, strictly speaking, continuous. Once again, because I don't have squared paper here, I'm going to produce a sketch of this histogram which really shows you how it's done. If you want it accurate, then you could use squared or graph paper. The highest frequency is 147, so I'm going to label 150 here. Then I'm going to say 100 is here and 50 is here. Obviously on squared paper you could get this completely accurately and have a sensible number of squares going up to 50 and up to 100 and so on. This axis would be labelled 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. So we have 32 from 15 to 20. So I'm just going to judge that that rectangle's about that high, but you'd be able to do it accurately. Then from 20 to 25 we have 107, so that's, say, there. Then 147 from 25 to 30, so that's like that. 125 from 30 to 35, so that's going to be about there. 41 from 35 to 40, so 41 needs to be below the 50. And finally 12